Now let's draw this drawing here. So for that, first of all, I'm going to draw these two circles of radius 50 and radius 56. So I will start from here, 50, and then circle again, another circle of radius 56, and then hit enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, maybe I will just simply move this one, move these two a little bit here. Now I'm going to draw a line from here to here, just like this. And then what I will do is at the intersection of this we have three circles. You can see of radius 6, 8 and 12. So let's draw them. Now what we have to do is we have to trim the parts that is not required. So basically you can see here that this portion is intact, so I can just simply trim it, and I will keep this part just like this, and we don't need this part, which is the top. And similarly like that, you can see we have to create a cap which will look like this, just like this. Now we don't need these as well. Now of course we don't need this line as well. We just simply select and delete it from here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this. So simply select this and type AR, then press enter, and then I'll go to polar and I will select the center, which is this, and there we have it. Now we of course we have to modify the items, so let's set the items to 10, and let me press escape, and you can see that this one is now exactly matching with this. And these, actually we don't require them, so you can just simply select it and delete it from here. Now all we need is just to simply trim the parts that we don't require. So you can simply trim this and this. Now that we have completed this part, let's move to this side. And for that, I'm going to draw a vertical line like this. Before that, I would like to set the distance. So maybe I'll start from here, and you can see the center distance is 50. So 50, enter, and then enter. Now, what I will do is you can see that this one is looking similar to this one. This one is looking similar to that. So I'm going to select these and then copy it here, just like this, and then press escape. Now you can see we have a line which is starting from here and exactly matching here. So I'm going to draw a line exactly like this and then press enter. Now you can see this one is looking similar to that. And now basically I'm going to trim the parts that we don't require. So again I'm going to trim this. Maybe I will trim this one and these parts just like this. Press escape. Now let's add the fillet radius. Let me just simply zoom in here a little bit. Now let's add the fillet radius. And for that, I will add the fillet radius, type R, set the value 2 and then press enter, and you can see that all the fillet having a radius of 2. Now I'm going to click on this one and then this, press enter, click on this and then this. Now what I will do is I will copy this part on this side. So for that I'm going to select it. I will select it from here and then mirror it just like this. No, let's trim this part. Now let's add the detailing, and for detailing I have to add the fillet radius in these regions. So let's do that. So F enter, click here, enter to repeat the command, and because I have to apply this fillet in all of these regions, in that case I'll go with multiple. So this is our final drawing.